Hi from Paul Simon and Entrepreneurial Grit, as we are being out knock on taking our products to potential buyers, and there's one or two out there who have already got the units. I just thought to demonstrate the suspension file unit, which can either go direct to the wall to hold those keys, make it nice and easy and simple for you, or you can go straight into your filing cabinet and your suspension file. So whatever size of business or whatever you are, as a landlord, as a landlady, or even an estate agent, we've got this system and process of looking after your keys. And we're also developing into the QR. So realistically, when you get the key fobs, you've got the option then of we're putting a QR system, putting exactly what you want regarding what it is the key for and the description. So all these are making it a little bit easier, a nice system and process, keeping your keys neat and tidy. And this is what we've been finding, that demonstrating and talking about it, and the good old-fashioned knock and showing how easy it is to take the keys and place back. And we like to describe it, it's quicker than a nail or a hook, and that's what it is. So it's nice, straightforward. You can either put it to the wall or straight into a filing cabinet. So whatever size, you can take this whole thing, the whole unit, with all your keys, if you wish, into your vehicle, go and meet your clients, etc. Or just grab the one key and go. So we know it's nice, straightforward. We have a trade price, and we're looking at retail prices as well. And there's a few units out there, and hope to get more pictures and videos of the units in action. So just sort of share that with you, and keep in touch. If you feel as though you need a system, get in touch with StepRack. Cheers now, thanks a lot, bye.